Hello and welcome. Prior to starting your application, here are some preparation tips to make this process easier. Before starting anything, submit an interest form. There are no deadline requirements for this submittal. This form will place you on an email list for program updates and information session dates and times. Ensure you attend one information session prior to submitting your application. Next, make an appointment and meet with your college's academic counselor. With them, you'll need to create and save your student education plan. From there, you can save your unofficial transcripts, then have your question prompts completed. Thoughtfully review and prepare your responses in 250 words or less. We recommend that you type these responses in a different document like Word or Google Docs to then simply copy and paste into your application form. These questions are vital for our understanding of you and your ambitions of how you want to lead your academic and professional career. Timing is important for eligibility into the program. Therefore, an ideal time to apply is when you're about 1.5 years to transfer. For example, for the fall 2022 AvenueM deadline cycle, you would plan to transfer in fall 2024. Prepare these items ahead of time because the application form cannot say progress. Therefore, it would need to be completed in one sitting. Please refer to the AvenueM website to verify deadline updates for fall and spring cycles. Reference the frequently asked questions found in the FAQ tab of our website or contact us directly at AvenueM@ucdavis.edu if you have any further questions or concerns. Thank you.